I pay you so that I don't have to pay anybody else. Manjunu vendadu ഞാൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Now don't make me turn on the music. Put it up.
Those girls, Anto. What do you do with them, man?
എന്തിനാണ് ചെയ്തത്? ഇനി പഴയതുപോലെ ആവില്ലൊന്നും.
കൊക്കൈനാണ്. We'll make him an offer which he can't refuse.
I don't want to go back to my sleepless nights.
അക്ബറാണ്. അവൻ തിരിച്ചു വരും.
I'll know every move he makes.